Hey, I'm Danielle with WTI. Do you long to have a beautiful flower garden but don't have a green thumb or just don't have the time to tend to it? Well, you're gonna love these full flowers from Lnoicy. I cannot get over how realistic they look and how vibrant the colors are. They did come kind of flat, but after fluffing them a bit, they really came alive. I mean, look at the difference. This is the mixed bundle of 20 and it was more than enough for my project. If some of the flowers fall off, there is no need to be heartbroken the way you would for a real flower. Believe me, I've been there. These can be reattached easily. Just ensure you're pushing all the way down until the point of the stalk comes through. And this leads me to another thing I really loved about these, the fact that they're customizable. Maybe you want to mix some colors in, maybe you want less foliage, maybe you want more, whatever the case is, you're able to switch things up. This is what I ended up doing, and I could not be more pleased with how they turned out. These are UV resistant, so I'm not worried about them fading and I'm not concerned about the rain. I'm so happy with how these turned out, and whether I use them inside or out, they made my home look beautiful. I highly recommend them, and that's my point of view.